Hi, today we are going to learn the Form 5 Chapter 9, Earth as a Sphere. So this lesson we are going to learn what is the longitude and we are going to find the value, the name of the longitude. So before that, we have to know that what is longitude. Longitude is a vertical line that we connected the North Pole and South Pole. So take a look on here. So this is a vertical line connected North Pole and South Pole. So there's another vertical line connected North Pole and South Pole. So Earth as a sphere. So sphere we will have 360 degrees. So just imagine that if we divided our Earth into 360 parts, then with total we will have 360 longitude. And we are going to name it one by one. So now just imagine that if we can open up the sphere, we change the sphere into a 2D diagram, just like our world map. So this is a 2D diagram, and we will have 360 vertical line. So each of them is a longitude. Before we name it, we need to have a reference point or the reference longitude. So the reference is the Greenwich meridian. The value of each longitude will be given 0 degree. The Greenwich meridian will divide the Earth to 180 degree to the east and another 180 degree to the west. So now come back to this 2D diagram. If let's say this longitude is 0 degree, this is our Greenwich meridian. So that will be 180 degree to the east. This longitude will be equals to 180 east. So let's say there's another longitude B. The angle between Greenwich meridian and longitude B is 100 degree. So the longitude B will be equals to 100 degree to the east. So there's another 180 degree to the west. Greenwich meridian, another 180 degree to the west. So this is 180 degree west. So another longitude, let's say in between the Greenwich is 50 degree, then the longitude C will be equals to 50 degree west. If we flow it up, actually the 180 degree east and the 180 degree west, they are same longitude. Just imagine we fold it up this rectangle. These two longitudes will be connected. That actually is the same longitude. So this is how we identify the longitude. You must determine where is the angle in between the longitude with the Greenwich meridian. Okay, let us try some exercise. Label the value of the longitude. So just in case, we determine the directions. North, so to the east. This is the east, and this is the west. East and west. Question number 1. This longitude is 74 degrees from the Greenwich meridian. So this is our G is represent the Greenwich meridian. This is to the east of Greenwich meridian. So this longitude will be labeled as 74 degrees east. Okay, number 2. This is 102 degrees to the east. Here is your Greenwich to the east. Number 3, 33 degrees, your Greenwich. This is to the west, 33 degrees west. Number 4 is 118 degrees to the west. And the last one, 155 degrees to the west. So it's pretty easy, right? So let's try some other exercise. So in question 1, there's a longitude labeled as 20 degrees east. So another longitude is 30 degrees apart from it. So label the longitude. In this case, you can try to draw a rectangle. So this is our world map. We label our longitude 20 degrees east. And there's another longitude is 30 degrees away from the 20 degrees east. So before that, let's identify. We have to determine where is our Greenwich meridian. This longitude is the 20 degrees to the east of Greenwich. So your Greenwich meridian must be somewhere here. This is your Greenwich meridian, 0 degrees. And the angle between them is 20 degrees. So that's why this longitude is a 20 degrees east. Now we need to find the value of this longitude. Let's say this is A. The value of the longitude is the angle between the Greenwich and longitude A. So the angle between them are 50 degrees. Is a 50 degrees to the east of Greenwich meridian. So this is 50 degrees east. So let's try another exercise, question 2. We can use the same method to illustrate our longitude. Now we have 35 degrees west. Here is your 35 degrees west. 35 degrees west from your Greenwich. So here is your Greenwich meridian to the west. So the angle between them, 35 degrees. So now there's another longitude. It's 25 degrees from the 35 degrees west. Let's set it the B. This is what we want. This longitude is total how many degrees from your Greenwich? 25 plus 35 is a 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. Here is your Greenwich meridian. So to the west or to the east, 60 degrees to the west. Question number 3. Okay, we label the longitude that we know. 80 degrees east. Where is your Greenwich meridian? 80 degrees to the east of Greenwich meridian. Here must be your Greenwich meridian to the east to the west. So the angle between them are 80 degrees. So now the longitude that we are looking for is 38 degrees from the 80 degrees west. So the name of this longitude. So what is the angle away from the Greenwich meridian? This value will be equal to the 80 minus the 38. So that will be 42 degrees. So the name is 42 degrees to the west or to the east of the Greenwich. Here is your Greenwich to the east, 42 degrees east. So let's try on your own first before we discuss the question number 4. Okay, same method. 92 degrees west. Your Greenwich meridian will be somewhere here. In between, the angle is 92 degrees. So there's another longitude, 66 degrees in between. So label or name this longitude. So this longitude is, what is the angle between the Greenwich? 92 minus 66. So this will be equals to 26 degrees. So it's 26 degrees to the west of Greenwich meridian. So let's take a look on the last example. This is a 25 degrees west. Determine our Greenwich meridian first. Will be somewhere here. So 25 degrees. Now we have another longitude. So there is a 75 degrees to the east of 25 degrees west. So where will be our this longitude? This longitude must be somewhere here, because the angle in between them are 75 degrees. But when we name it, when we label it, we have to find out the angle in between with the Greenwich meridian. So what is this angle? 75 minus 25. So this is 50 degrees. This longitude will be equals to 50 degrees to the east of Greenwich meridian. To the east of Greenwich meridian. So the question 6 and 7, you can try on your own. If you cannot get the answer, you can comment on the video.